Good morning, students. We'll continue with question answers. Okay, everybody ready? I hope you have done those questions in your science notebook, isn't it? You have done it now? So we are going to complete all the question answers today. Right? Ready, everyone? Okay, let's start. So, like I told you earlier also, you will be doing these question answers in your science notebook. Okay? We have done till question number 3, right? Now, question number 4. What's question number 4? What is the main function of respiratory system? What's the main function of respiratory system? We have to tell in this question and discuss the function of nose and lungs. So, the main function of respiratory system is to provide oxygen. It provides oxygen to our body, right? As we breathe, what happens? Our lungs expand. We breathe through our nose, and what happens when we breathe? The oxygen enters our lungs, right? So what happens? The main function of the respiratory system is to provide oxygen to all the parts of the body, and that oxygen is carried to all the parts of the body through blood. Okay? Now, the second part of the question is discuss the function of nose and lungs. So what is the function of the nose? It helps us to breathe air. It helps us to breathe oxygen, right? Isn't it? And the tiny hair present in our nose. I told you earlier also that the tiny hair present in our nose, it prevents the dirt particles or the germs to enter our lungs, to enter our body. Okay, they are being trapped in the tiny hair present in our nose. Okay, function of lungs. What's the function of lungs? Exchange of gases. We breathe oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So this exchange of gases is done by lungs. Okay. Next question. How do nerves help the brain to perform various functions? How do nerves? What are the nerves doing? You can see the diagram here. What are the nerves doing and how does it help the brain to perform different function, various functions? Nerves are like connectors between the sense organ and the brain. Whatever you touch, whatever you feel, whatever you taste, whatever you see, whatever you hear, all these things, all these messages are carried by the nerves to the brain, isn't it? And your brain tell you, oh, this is very hot, don't touch it. Okay? It happens now. So, just see the answer. The brain controls the body parts through the nerves. Okay, brain is controlling all our body parts. Our arms, legs, eyes, nose, each and every body part is controlled by the brain through nerves. Okay, because it sends the messages through nerves only. Nerves को ही brain message देता है that this is very hot. Okay, don't touch it. This is very spicy. Okay, the brain only tells the sense organ with the help of nerves. When the brain receives a message from any part of the body, it tells the body how to react. It tells the body how to react. Just now I told you, if there is a hot cup of tea, right? The brain tells you not to touch it. It's very hot, or hot boiling water, right? So brain tells you how to react in that situation. All our actions are controlled by the nervous system. All our actions, like whatever you see, whatever you hear, whatever you eat or smell, whatever you taste, whatever you feel, all the actions are controlled by nervous system. Okay. Next question. How is waste removed from our body? Okay, removal of waste we started in the excretory system, right? But kidney, lungs and skin, all three of them help in the removal of waste. How? Kidney help in the removal of liquid waste in the form of urine from the body, right? Lungs help to remove carbon dioxide from the body, and skin helps to remove sweat from the body. Okay? So, here is the answer. Our body produces a lot of waste and that becomes toxic. Okay, we have to remove that waste from the body. Like what happens when the dustbin gets overflow, it gets full, we have to throw it, right? We have to make it empty. So same way, what happens, that's a waste, we don't store it at home, otherwise the bacteria and virus will start growing in the waste. Same way, our body is also having waste, so we need to remove that waste. It gets accumulated, it gets collected, so we need to remove that waste. It is done by kidney, lungs and skin. Okay, discuss the function of the skeletal system. Skeletal system functions, everybody remember क्या क्या functions होते हैं skeletal system के? It gives shape to our body, हमारी body को shape देता है, right? It protects our internal organs, internal body organs, like the skull. The skull protects the brain, right? Okay, then the rib cage. The rib cage protects the lungs, heart. So all these organs are being protected by the skeletal system. Okay. Third one, it helps us to stand straight, walk, run. Okay, so all these are the three functions of the skeletal system. Next question and the last one. Okay, what is the importance of reproduction? As you can see in the picture. Okay, what's the importance of reproduction? Reproduction is important for the continuity of life, so that the life continues, otherwise the life is going to stop. Okay, the babies grow and look similar to their parents. Like when you grow up, you would look like your parents, right? I have already given you an example. When a cat gives birth to a kitten looks like its parents only when it grows, like a cat only. It doesn't look like a giraffe. It doesn't look like an elephant. No, they resemble to their parents. So reproduction is important to continue life. Otherwise, what is going to happen? All the human beings or all the animals, all the living things, if they don't reproduce, they are going to get extinct. ठीक है, जैसे dinosaurs extinct हो गए, ऐसे extinct हो जाएंगे सब. Okay, so here we complete all the question answers. Same question answers you will be getting in the worksheet. So complete them nicely in good handwriting. Okay. Okay, bye. Take care.